Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to write the angle theta in all the four quadrants when the basic angle alpha is given to us, as well as we will see the negative angles. Let's get started. General angles. Now we are first looking for the angle when the basic angle alpha is given to us. Then we will see how to write down the angle theta in all the four quadrants. Now let's suppose that our basic angle alpha is 45 degree. That means my 45 degree angle alpha lies in the first quadrant, and this alpha is basically called the theta, which is 45 degree in the first quadrant. Now if I take in the second quadrant, this is my angle alpha here. Now I need to find out this angle theta. Now to get this angle theta, we know that theta plus alpha will equal to 180 degree. So to get this angle theta, I need to subtract this angle alpha from 180 degree. So to get the angle theta, theta is given by 180 degree minus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is 45 degree. So 180 degree minus 45 degree will give you 135 degree in the second quadrant. So my angle theta is given by 135 degree. Now if I see in the third quadrant here, this is my basic angle alpha lies here. Now to get this angle theta here, I need to find out 180 degree plus alpha will give me theta. So theta will be given by 180 degree plus alpha. So what is alpha? Alpha is 45 degree. That means 180 degree plus 45 degree. That means 225 degree is my angle theta here. Now if I see my basic angle alpha in the fourth quadrant, this is my alpha here. Now to get the angle theta from this portion, I need to subtract 360 degree minus alpha. Then I'll find out my angle theta here. So theta will be given by 360 degree minus alpha. Alpha is 45 degrees, so it will be equal to 315 degrees here in the fourth quadrant. Now if we have the basic angle alpha in the fourth quadrant and I am taking two rounds. Two rounds means I am going from 0 degree to 720 degree. That means I am taking one round to 360 degree, and then again I am taking one more round to 360 degree. That means I covered total 720 degrees. As you can see that the red circle I moved, I covered one circle, and then I again did the second circle and I reached here to my angle alpha. That means if I have to find out this red angle, how much did I cover? So the green part, as you can see that this theta is given by 315 degree, which is same as the previous answer. Now because I am taking two rounds here, that means I completed 360 degree and then I went to 315 degrees more. So my theta will be given by 360 degree plus 315 degrees, which will be equal to 675 degrees. Now let's suppose that alpha is negative 45 degree. When the angle is negative 45 degrees, we have to consider in the fourth quadrant. So that means this is my fourth quadrant here. So my basic angle alpha here, which is 45 degree. Now this basic angle alpha, if I write down in terms of theta, theta is given by negative 45 degree. Always the negative angles you are considering in the fourth quadrant. So if this is 0 degree, then this is minus 90, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree, and minus 360 degree, and so on. So this basic angle alpha will be given by theta is equal to minus 45 degree. Now if I see in the third quadrant here, this is my basic angle alpha. Now to get the angle theta here, I need to add alpha in minus 180 degrees, because if I subtract it, I'll reach to the third quadrant, because I need to go lower than minus 180 degree. So I need to add alpha in minus 180 degrees. So that means minus 180 degree plus alpha will give me theta. Now what is alpha? Alpha is 45 degree. So minus 180 degree plus 45 degree will be given by minus 135 degree theta. So this is my theta, which is given by minus 135 degree. So as you go from clockwise direction, your angles are negative. Now let's see in the second quadrant. Now if my second quadrant, the basic angle alpha is given by here, So I need to find out this theta. So this theta will be given by minus 180 degree minus alpha, because I am going more to 180 degree and because this is negative. So that means theta will be given by minus 180 degree minus alpha. So minus 180 degree minus 45 degree will be given by 225 degrees. Now if I see my alpha in the first quadrant, that means I move from clockwise direction till my angle alpha. That means this is my angle theta. Now if the basic angle alpha here, so this angle, if I complete it, this will be negative 360 degree. So to go down, negative 360 degree plus alpha will give me the answer in the first quadrant. So minus 360 degree plus 45 degree will be given by minus 315 degree. So this theta is given by minus 315 degrees. Now as you can see that here, so I am going clockwise direction. I am making 2 rounds here and I am again reaching here for the angle alpha. That means I am going in the clockwise direction. That means my angle is negative. So I started from 0 and I covered the negative 360 degree and then I moved to my angle alpha. So from here, as you can see that the green angle, the theta is minus 315 degrees. So in the positive direction when I covered negative 360 degree and more I covered minus 315 degrees. So my angle theta is given by minus 360 degree minus of 315 degrees, because I took one round. So that means I covered minus 360 degree and then I moved more till angle alpha. So that means that is theta I covered. So theta is minus 315 degrees. So that I added it in minus 360 degree and my answer is minus 675 degree is my angle theta. Now let's see few examples here. Find all the angles theta between 0 and 360 degree which make a basic angle alpha is 70 degree. Now we have given that the basic angle alpha is 70 degree. So the basic angle alpha lies in the first quadrant, as you can see that here. Now this angle theta, if I write down theta, so theta will be given by in the first quadrant is 70 degree. That will be my answer in the first quadrant. Now as you can see that here, the basic angle alpha is in the second quadrant. Now to get the value theta here, this is my theta, I need to subtract 180 degree minus alpha. So 180 degree minus alpha will give me theta. So theta will be given by 180 degree minus alpha is 70 degree. So theta is equal to 110 degrees. Now as you can see that I have drawn my basic angle alpha in the third quadrant. So to get the angle theta, this is my angle theta, I need to add 180 degree plus alpha. So 180 degree plus alpha will give you the angle theta. So let's write down here. So theta will be given by 180 degree plus alpha is 70 degree. So our theta is equal to 250. The angle is 250 degrees. Now as you can see that my basic angle alpha I have drawn in the fourth quadrant. Now to get the angle theta, what is my theta? I have started from 0 and I'll reach here. This is my angle theta. Now to get this angle theta, I need to subtract the basic angle alpha from 360 degree. So 360 degree minus alpha will give me the angle theta. Let's do that here. So theta will be given by 360 degree minus of 70 degree. So theta will be given by 290 degrees. So that means this angle theta is given by 290 degrees. Let's see one more example. Find all the angles between minus 180 degree and 180 degree with the basic angle alpha is equal to 10 degrees. Now as you can see that here I have drawn the diagram here and I went in the anti-clockwise direction, so it is positive. So this is 0, 90 and 180 degree. I have to go till 180 degree, so I'll stop myself here. So my angle theta here will be given by the basic angle alpha here. So my theta value in the first quadrant will be given by 10 degrees. Now I look my answer because I have to go till 180 degree. That means I need to write my answer in the second quadrant also. So if I draw the line in the second quadrant, and this is my basic angle alpha here. So my theta angle will be given by 180 degree minus alpha. So in the second quadrant, theta will be given by 180 degree minus alpha. So it is 180 degree minus alpha is 10 degrees. So that answer will be 170 degrees in the second quadrant. Now I have to go minus 180 degrees. So let's see, I'm moving in the clockwise direction. I'm moving in the clockwise direction. So this is my basic angle alpha in the fourth quadrant. Now this basic angle alpha, because I'm going in the negative direction, so my theta will be given by minus 10 degrees because I'm going in the negative direction. Now I need to look my answer in the third quadrant also. Now to get the angle theta here, I need to add minus 180 degree plus alpha, then only it will give me the angle theta. So theta will be given by minus 180 degree plus alpha. So it is minus 180 degree plus 10 degrees. So that is equals to minus 170 degrees. Now let's see one more example here. Given that A is from minus 360 degree to 720 degrees and that A has a basic angle alpha 80 degrees. Find all the values of A if A is in the second quadrant and A is in the third quadrant. So let's do it step by step. So first we will write down all the answers in the second quadrant within my range of minus 360 degree to 720 degree. So first I will pick 720 degrees. That means if I start from 0, I covered 360 degree if I take a full round. Then to reach to 720 degree, that means I have to take one more round to reach to 720 degrees. That means I am taking two complete anti-clockwise directions. I am covering it. So I need to give all the answers between this range of 720 degrees in the second quadrant. So let's see that if this is in the second quadrant here, the basic angle alpha is here. So if I take 0 degree here, 90, 180, 270, 360 again. If you go down more, it will be 450, 540, 630 and 720 here. Now to give the answer here, if I take the first round here, that means it is 180 degree right now. To give the answer in the second quadrant, I'll get the angle theta will be given by 180 degree minus alpha. So let's write down here. So the angle theta will be given by 180 degree minus alpha, which is equals to 180 degree minus 80 degrees. So that is equals to 100 degrees. So that is my angle in the second quadrant. Now I took the second round. Here and then I reached here. That means the angle is now 540 degrees. Now to get the answer in the second quadrant, I need to subtract 540 degree minus alpha. So the angle theta will be written by 540 degree minus alpha, which is equals to 540 degree minus of 80 degree. That is equals to 460 degrees. Now if I go in the clockwise direction, that means my angle is negative. That means I need to take one complete round till minus 360 degree. I need to give the answer in the second quadrant. So that means if this is the second quadrant here, this is the basic angle alpha here. To get the answer here, minus 180 degree minus alpha will give me the answer in the second quadrant. Let's do that here. So theta will be given by minus 180 degree minus alpha. So that is equals to minus 180 degree minus 80 degree. So that will be given by minus of 260 degrees. Now I need to give the answer in the third quadrant. As you can see that I have drawn the angle in the third quadrant and this is my basic angle alpha. So if I take a one round here, that means this is my angle theta. This is my angle theta. To give the angle theta, I need to add basic angle alpha in 180 degrees. So let's write down here. So theta is given by 180 degree plus alpha. So that is equals to 180 degree plus 80 degrees. So that is equals to 260 degree. Now I need to do the second round to reach this angle here. So that means now the angle is 540 degrees. So 540 degrees plus alpha will give me the angle theta. So let's write it here. So theta will be given by 540 degrees plus alpha. So that is equals to 540 degree plus 80 degrees. So that is equals to 620 degrees. Now I have to go clockwise direction till minus 360 degree. If I take one round here, and this is my angle, basic angle alpha here. To get the angle here, this is minus 180. I need to add alpha. So let's write it here. So theta will be given by minus 180 degree plus alpha. That is equals to minus 180 degree plus 80 degree. That is equals to minus 100 degrees. That will be my answer. Let's see one more example here. State the quadrant of the angle theta and find the value of the basic angle alpha if theta is equal to 250 degrees. Now they are giving us the angle theta and they are telling you to find out the basic angle alpha. Now theta is 250 degrees. As you can see that 250 degrees lies in the third quadrant. So this is my angle theta. I need to find out this basic angle alpha. So can I write 250 degree as 180 degree plus alpha? I can write it down. So theta will be given by 180 degree plus alpha. What is theta? Theta is 250 degrees. That is equals to 180 degree plus alpha. So alpha will be given by 250 minus of 180 degrees. So that's my answer will be equal to 70 degrees. Now when theta is negative 60 degree, because the angle is negative here, as you can see that here we have to go in the fourth quadrant. So the basic angle alpha will be given by only 60 degrees. Now let's see the next example here. So when the theta is 390 degrees, that means you started from 0 and then you covered 360 degree and then you covered more angle to reach 390 degrees. So that means to give you theta, theta will be given by 360 degree plus alpha, because this is my basic angle alpha in the first quadrant. So theta will be given by 360 degrees plus alpha. So theta is 390 degrees, which is equals to 360 degree plus alpha. So alpha will be given by 390 degree minus of 360 degree. So alpha is given by 30 degree in the first quadrant. Now if your theta is minus 100 degree, so that means this theta is negative 100 degree. So I need to find out this alpha. So to get this alpha, theta will be given by minus 180 degree plus alpha. So theta will be given by minus 180 degree plus alpha. So theta is how much? Theta is minus 100 degree is equal to minus 180 degree plus alpha. So alpha will be given by minus 100 degree plus 180 degree. So alpha will be given by 80 degrees. So that means this angle alpha is 80 degrees. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.